Hello, everyone, and welcome. In this presentation, we'll walk you through the Sonic AI trading strategy, a fully transparent AI-supported gold trading system with a verified track record and a strong focus on risk management. Let's begin by looking at the core performance. On this slide, you can see the key performance metrics of the strategy. We are looking at cumulative return of 21.20%, average monthly return of 1.17%, maximum drawdown of just 0.86%, and a win rate of approximately 80%. Now, two of these numbers are especially important. First, the maximum drawdown. This key metric reflects how risk is managed. A drawdown below 1% over a 16-month period shows a risk profile that seeks capital preservation. Second, the win rate. Maintaining around 80% consistency over 16 months is a strong indicator of a stable and disciplined strategy. And importantly, this is not short-term performance. This is 16 months of verified live trading data. Here, we see one of the strongest aspects of the strategy: 16 consecutive positive months. Every single month, from November 2024 through February 2026, closed in profit. Monthly returns consistently range between approximately 0.5% and 1.7%, with no negative months recorded. This level of consistency in our trading strategy shows a favorable performance over the last 16 months. Behind every successful strategy, there is a professional team. The Sonic AI trading team brings over 15 years of experience in financial markets, managing capital for private investors, family offices, institutional clients. The structure includes 1 lead trader, 2 supporting co-traders. Together, we combine experience, data, and advanced tools to maintain performance and risk control. Before going public, our strategy was tested privately, ensuring it was fully optimized before being offered to investors. Transparency is a key pillar of this strategy. Every trade is public, trackable, independently verified. Through MyFXBook, you can see entry and exit points, trade duration, full performance history. Over 329 trades, with approximately 87% positive trades, and an average trade duration of less than 15 minutes. This level of transparency allows anyone to verify our past and current results in real time. The strategy is accessible through the Copix copy trading platform, operated by Tag Markets, a regulated broker based in Mauritius. This ensures strong execution, liquidity, and scalability. This means your account automatically mirrors every trade. No trading experience is required. No manual intervention is needed. You can connect in just a few steps and the system handles everything. Important to know, you keep 70% of the profits. A 30% performance fee is only charged when profits are made. No subscription or management fees. This is where the model becomes unique. There are 2 account types. 12x account, your capital is amplified 12 times for trading purposes. Example, $10,000, $120,000 trading capacity. Drawdown limit, 10%, 24x account, amplification of 24 times for trading purposes. Example, $10,000 plus token value, $240,000 trading capacity. Drawdown limit, 5%. Leveraging your capital in this manner can potentially lead to higher returns. However, it also involves increased risks, including the possibility of losing all your deposit. In other words, with an amplified account, returns may be higher, but risk is increased too. There is a 30-day capital lock of the original deposit amounts. However, profits can be withdrawn at any time. Here are illustrative examples based on our historical performance. For example, since November 2024, a $10,000 deposit on a 12x account would have generated approximately 600 plus monthly net. On a 24x account, this could have been around 1,200 plus monthly net. These figures are based on real historical data, but always remember, Past performance does not guarantee future results. Risk management is a critical part of this strategy. Trading risk, 12x account closes at 10% drawdown. 24x account closes at 5% drawdown. To reach this, 12x would require around 68 consecutive losses. 24x would require around 34 consecutive losses. In 16 months of live trading, the maximum ever recorded was only 2 consecutive losses. Broker risk. Like any financial institution, there is always risk. However, mitigation factors include regulation, segregated accounts, professional risk management strategy. Risk. There are no guarantees in trading. Market conditions can change, and performance may vary. This is why it is essential to only use capital you can afford to lose. Let's look at another real example. Initial capital, $400,000. Net profit, approximately $295,000. Over 5.5 months. Average monthly return, around 13.4% net. This is a real verified account, showing how the system performs in practice. Before we conclude, an important reminder. Trading involves risk, and you can lose part or all of your capital. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Only use capital you can afford to lose. Always make informed decisions and seek professional advice if needed. Thank you for taking the time to review the Sonic AI trading strategy. We look forward to supporting you on your journey.
Okay, ayan, napanood na po natin yung strategies ng Sonic. Okay. So ngayon naman ay titingnan natin, okay, kung paano gagawa ng account. So dito, okay, meron ditong guide. Click natin po yon para sa IB portal registration ng Stratify. So makikita niyo po dito, kapag binigyan na kayo ng link, ang galing sa akin or kahit sinong nagbigay sa inyo ng link. Okay? Ilalagay niyo po yung enter your full name. Okay? Ito na yung IB portal registration page. Ilagay niyo yung full name and then email address and then create secure password and then accept the terms and condition. Click registered. Okay? Yan, ito nakikita niyo po dito. Yan, ganyan. Okay? Tapos, check your email for verification link. Okay? And then click the verification link to activate your account. And then log in with your credential. Yan. You can now access the IB portal dashboard. Okay? Tingnan natin dito sa picture. Yan. Okay, verify natin to sa email. Yan, ganyan, verify. And then, maglalagin ulit kayo dun sa inyong dashboard. So, bali, ganito na yung makikita nyo. Yan, ganyan. Okay. So, ngayon, next natin, halimbawa, nakagawa na kayo ng Stratify account. Ang next step naman ay kung paano tayo gagawa ng account sa broker o yung tag market. Okay. Dito po tayo magdi-deposit. So first step, synchronize with broker. So anong gagawin? Sa loob ng Stratify, okay, tingnan niyo po yung profile niyo dito. Yan. Dito sa baba, yan dito. Ang nakalagay po dito ay registered to tag market. Okay? Pag nasa Stratify na kayo. Okay? Click niyo yung registered and then ilalagay niyo po yung inyong password at magsisynchronize na yan. So makikita niyo po dito, nakalagay dyan dito sa inside the platform, click registered with tag market. You can create your password or use a generated one. Better na same password lang gamitin nyo. After completing the step, your broker account will be created automatically. Your broker login credential will be sent to your email. So, papasok kayo sa email nyo para i-verify. So, ganito po yung mangyayari. Yan. Dito sa tag market, makikita nyo po dito, create, and then, synchronize. Ayan. Maglalagay ka ng password and then synchronize your account. Pag na-synchronize na, yan, makikita mo to, synchronize successful. And then, i-verify mo siya sa email mo. Itong itim na ito,
sa email mo ang iyong i-click. Yung iba kasi hindi ito nakiklik, kaya hindi sila makalagin. Pag na-click mo na yan, ay lalagin ka, okay, para magkaroon ka naman ng, ayan, KYC verification. Okay? So, balikan natin to, login to Tag Market, okay? And sabi dito, okay, open Tag Market login page, enter broker credential, you receive your email from your broker dashboard, you can complete verification yan. Hindi ka po makakapag-deposit kung hindi ka nakapag-verify. Okay? You can deposit capital, you can active or post a strategy, you can withdraw profits or withdraw your deposit. Yan. You stay fully controls at all times. So, kailangan po talaga ng KYC. Okay? Okay, complete KYC verification. Okay? Click upload documents. Okay, tingnan natin yung picture yan. Pag nakalagin ka na, dito, meron ditong nakalagay upload documents. Okay, so, window will open. Click continue. Select all countries except USA. Wala pa tayo sa US. And then, choose whenever continue verification of your current device or switch to your smartphone. Okay. Select the type of documents of the country issue. Pwedeng passport, driver's license, and then ID, selfie, dalawa yung kailangan dyan. Okay, follow instruction and complete the process. No proof of address is required. Once your verification is approved, your account is fully activated. All information and documents submit are encrypted. Keep private. Yan. Walang iba makakakita po niyan kundi yung sa Tag Market. Ayan, dito po. Pagpasok niyo dyan, i-click nyo dito. Ayan. Yan, magsasubmit kayo. Okay? Pwedeng gawin po ito sa cellphone kasi ito po ay laptop, computer, picture. Yan. Diyan lahat po makikita nyo. Okay? Pag may question kayo sa pag-KYC, pwede po kayo mag-PM sa akin. Okay? So, ayun. Pag-click ng deposit, ayan, meron po tayong ibang tutorial nito kung paano mag-deposit. Okay? Pero tingnan din po natin, So, i-click nyo yung deposit and then choose whatever you want to deposit. But we prepared to cryptocurrency. Select the entire amount you want to deposit. Okay? And then click submit. If you choose crypto, select the cryptocurrency and the correct blockchain network. Okay? Huwag po kayo magkakamali sa network. Make sure you both exact coin token and the blockchain are correct. Okay? Kung USDT yung pambayad nyo, USDT rin yung kailangan nyo pong i-click. Okay? Pati yung blockchain, yung network, dapat kung BSC yung panggagalingan, BS din dapat ang pipiliin nyo. You can copy deposit address or scan the QR code. Okay? The transaction fully arrives within a few minutes. Once the fully funds are visible to your account, you are ready to activate the strategy. So, ito yung picture. Ayan, ilalagay mo po dito. Pag click mo ng deposit, makikita mo yung amount. So, pili ka ng amount dyan. Kung below 100, meron dyang other. Click mo yung other and then next. Tapos, itong pipiliin mo rito, crypto. Click mo yan. Pagkapili mo ng crypto, pipili ka ng network. Nandyan yung Tether, tapos BIP20. Usually namin ginagamit. Ayan, ganyan. I-copy mo to and screenshot mo yung QR code at isend mo sa magsesend sa'yo ng USDT. Katulad po yan ang ginagawa namin. Yung mga nagpapabili ng USDT, sinesend lang po sa akin ng QR code. Okay? After deposit the capital, ayan, activate Sonic AI strategy. Okay? So, go to copy trading section. Okay? I-click nyo po yung copy X. Okay? Use the search bar to find Sonic. Okay. Then, select it. Click on details to review the full overview. Okay. After reviewing the performance, click on connect and then choose the amount of your capital you want to allocate. Okay. Yung investment natin, ilalagay mo yung $10. You select capital leverage 12x, allowing the strategy to operate with amplified buying power. So dito po meron tayong promotion this month of May na magta times 24. Okay? So ang inilalagay po diyan promo
hashtag Stratify. Okay, pakita ko po sa inyo. Yan. Dito po yon. Yan. Yan dito sa banda na to. Yan, ito po. Yan, may nakalagay po dyan na dito sa community token, i-click mo yung arrow pababa and then ilalagay mo hashtag Stratify. Okay? Tapos, pagkalagay mo ng hashtag Stratify, i-verify mo na siya. And then, pagka-verify mo, saka mo ilalagay yung promo 24x. And then, chichikan mo itong dalawang arrow na to. Sabi dito, okay, agree to terms and condition. Ayan, ito na po yung dalawa na yan. And then, click copy now. Okay? Yan, i-click mo itong copy now and success na po yung iyong active Sonic AI strategy account. Okay? So, number 6, yan, track and monitor your capital. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-track. The dashboard show current profit loss percentage of your total investment. Okay? Yan, in the strategies section, you can view your active, inactive bridge strategies. You can add more capital, withdraw profits, or stop reactive the strategy anytime. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-stop. Okay, on the trades page, you can see all executed trades. Each trade shows trade type, size, date, entry, exit price, and the profit or loss. You will also see login credential, which allow you to monitor the strategy direct on the MT5 platform of your phone. So, ganito po yung picture niyan. Pag pasok mo po sa dashboard, i-click mo po itong follower hub. Sa cellphone, 2 tao yan. 2 tao ang picture niya, ang icon, okay? Tapos, i-click mo yung strategies, okay? Yan, dito, strategies yan. Tapos, makikita mo na po yung iyong investment. And then, dito sa trades naman, okay? Yan, dito, ito po reinvest. Makikita mo rito reinvest, okay? Tapos, sa trades, yan, yung ating trades history. Yan, kung magkano kinita natin sa loob ng isang araw. And lastly, number 7 step, okay, MetaTrader 5, pwede mo siyang makita or i-monitor mo in real time. Okay? Yan. Dito, show credential by pressing I symbol to your account number and investor password. Okay? Pwede ka mag-download na and open the MT5 for your on your phone. Okay? Hindi naman natin kailangan na gamitin yung MT5, no? Pero para lang makita natin, pwede po kayo mag-download. Okay? Enter your 8-digit account number exactly as shown. Enter the private investor password exactly as shown. Yan. Once log in, you can see all open trades, closed trades in real time. You can track profits and losses, check charts and view account balance. And lastly, full trading history pass is also available. So, ganito po yung makikita natin sa MT5. Okay? So, in my part, hindi ko na yan tinitingnan kasi meron naman tayong master trader na gumagawa niyan. Okay? So, that's all for now for making or creating account dito sa Stratify, Tag Market, and later on pwede po din po kayong gumamit ng wallet, yung Bit1. Okay? So, next video na po natin gagawin yung pag-create ng Bit1. Okay? Pero pwede nyo pong tingnan. Okay? Ang link po ng itong mga pinaliwanag ko po ay nandito sa description ng video. Diyan sa baba, ilalagay ko po dyan. Okay? So, I hope na nasundan nyo po yung ating tutorial kung paano gumamit ng itong Stratify funnel, no? Nandito po lahat. Okay? So once na sinend mo to sa iyong kakilala, no? Maglalagay lang po siya ng email address and i-click lang niya yung get started now. Okay? And makikita niya na itong mga tutorial, yung pag-set up ng account sa Stratify and Tag Markets, Bit1 at saka BitX. Okay? So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. This is your captain at your service. Ciao.